Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. This is where we provide logical solutions to your concerns. In this video, we will be showing you how to log in to your Twitter account. You can log into your Twitter from an application on your smartphone as well. For this video, we will be logging in using our web browser. First go into your web browser, then type in twitter.com in the address bar and press enter. You will be taken into the Twitter homepage. If you don't have an account, you can click on Sign Up and follow the process within to create your account. Click on the Login button to go into the login page. Now enter your phone number or your email address or your username, followed by your Twitter password. If you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option. After entering your password, click on the Login button. And now you will be logged in to your Twitter account. So that's how easy it is to log in to your Twitter account. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.